Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I was actually going to film a video talking about how the central banks are secretly stockpiling silver, and I started getting out some silver from my safe. I was also going to be talking about the book that I've recently released on Amazon as well, so I have that here in the background. But then I remembered that I had been sent a mail call from none other than Mr. Jamie Frost. Now this has come all the way from Japan, and I actually forgot about this, to be honest. I put it with all my other packages that I have left to unpackage, and it was only today when he uploaded a video in Stackers Social of his entry into the Vintage Silver Showdown Challenge that we've currently got running in Stackers Social that I remembered. So that is what we're going to be doing today. So let's get straight into it now. I literally have no idea what he's sent across. He did say I needed to open them in the same video. So let's have a little look at what Jamie Frost has very kindly sent me all the way from Japan. Always extremely nicely wrapped when you get anything from Jamie. Those of you that received gifts from Jamie, you'll know that he wraps them very, very nicely. But let's get them both open first, and then we can have a little look and work out what he has sent across. Now do let me know in the comments section if you did know that some of the banks in different countries of the world have started to stockpile silver. And also, thank you to those of you that have already bought a copy of my book. I will leave a link to it in today's video description. But I will do another video in the future going into both of those topics in a little bit more detail. I might even film another video after I've filmed today's video. But for now, let's have a little look what we have got here now. Extremely nicely wrapped. Got this. It's almost like a catalogue of food and drinks from Japan. Always enjoy reading through this off camera when he sends them wrapped up in these things. But it says, "Hey 365, I hope you and your family are well. Here's just a little something I made. Don't get excited, it's not silver, it's aluminium. You can keep it or pass it on to a Stackers Social member, Jamie." Wow, really cool. I really like the note. And like I said, look how nicely presented this is. The note comes off there, and we have one of Jamie Frost's famous stickers here that is laminated. Really, really cool. And it says, "Hey 365, there are numbers on each piece. It should all make sense." Oh, this is interesting. Look at this. It's all individual. It's like an advent calendar. So I'm guessing we get the tab here. Look at this. Oh my goodness, he has made a jigsaw puzzle out of aluminium. This is really cool. Now, for those of you in Stackers Social, you'll know that Jamie Frost has started cutting up coins. He took some inspiration from the coin cutter, and he's been producing some really cool pieces of art. He's been using coins as his canvas, and he's been colorizing the coins. And the one that really stuck out that I really, really liked recently that he did was a buffalo round that he had cut out, and then he had toned the actual buffalo, and it was a really cool effect. So all around the buffalo it was a silver color, but then the actual buffalo was like a nice toned sort of coppery color, and that was really cool. Now this is all numbered. I really like how you've done the numbering as well, Jamie. Nice and clear and stamped on there. I'm guessing the numbers help me put it together, which is really good. So I'm not the best at doing jigsaws. There we go. 3. Oh no, now we're coming unstuck. Unless we go back over this side for 4. Yeah, look at that. 5. I tell you what, these numbers are a game changer. But now I've got to flip it around. Look, got Jamie Frost's initials down the side there as well. Let's flip it round. Oh, that is cool. What's all this hair on the floor? All right. Right, okay, so now it's easy to do. Do you know what? Right, hang on. Everyone just calm down. We're going to do it. This is so cool. Look at this. Stackers Social. I can already see what it says. Stackers Social. Little jigsaw. That is so cool. What a great idea, and what a nice personal mail call that is from Jamie Frost. So thank you very much, Jamie. Really, really cool. But there's more. There's actually a second envelope. And he did say to do them both together, so I've not saved them for separate videos. But let's have a little look what we've got in here. Again, really, really nicely wrapped. What have we got? Top. Oh, is this going to be like a holder for it? Oh, I think it is. This is really cool. So I'm guessing this is a display case for it, where you can either display it as a whole bar, or you can actually put each individual piece into its own little bit. This is so cool. So like, hang on, we've got the little diagram over here. So number 3 goes down here. Number 2 goes at the top. Number 5 goes down here. This is so cool. Jamie is just so creative. Really, really clever. Number 1 down the bottom here. Number 6 goes over this side. Oh, I think it goes that way, doesn't it? Yeah, they fit in there so snugly as well. And last but not least, there. And look at that. That is so cool. So not only have I got a really cool way of displaying it, I can also display it and keep everything together, either separately, like this, around the edge. I can take this little bit off now, I think. Or I can actually make them up and have them in the middle. So that is really cool. And a lot of thought and effort and time has gone into that. So Jamie, massive thank you. It's like a wooden back to it. And this is like a foam, like a felt. That is incredible. That is so cool. I'm going to quickly make it up as well before we finish today's video, because it'd be nice to see how it looks actually made up in this display box as well. So clever. Jamie's made some really cool display cases and things to store his silver in as well. I will actually leave a link to his channel. He's got a YouTube channel. Really creative, as you can imagine from seeing what we've got here. But if you head over to the description of today's video, give Jamie Frost a subscribe to his channel, and look at that. Absolutely incredible. Really, really cool. I've actually really enjoyed doing that and putting that together. So thank you very much, Jamie. Very, very thoughtful. A lot of time and effort would have gone into this. So I really, really do appreciate it. But yeah, for those of you watching today's video, please head down and go over and check out Jamie Frost's channel. Please drop him a sub. Let him know that 365 sent you over. And yeah, you'll see just by looking at his backdrop and the things that he showcases in his video, you'll be able to see just some more of his creative ideas. And yeah, really, really clever. Even his entry into today's vintage silver challenge that he did a video for Stacker Social, and he put it in the Stacker Social room, the challenge room. Just that was really creative. He had the vintage silver showdown written down. He went through and he'd done a shout out to people in the community, and yeah, just everything he does is really, really creative. So yeah, really cool. Thank you very much, Jamie. I really, really appreciate that. What a fun mail call that's been. And now, when I finish recording, I'm going to have a little look through here at all this really nice food. And this is actually making me feel hungry already. Yeah, really interesting. Look at that. It looks like a meat Battenberg. But yeah, thanks very much, Jamie. Really appreciate it. Thanks so much to everyone that's watched today's video. Really appreciate all the support. Please like, share it, and hype it if it gives you the option to. And as always, I hope you have a very nice day.